Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 9.4-inch black and white monochrome LCD from one CCFL to our UV35 series LED kits. This LED kit including one LED strips, one driver, along with two wires, connect to either 12, positive 12 to 24 volt, plus negative. Okay, this screen is made by Sharp LM64183P. Okay, it's a black and white. So as you can see, the lamp was mounted vertically. So in order to access the lamp, we had to remove these three tiny screws. Then we take out the top covers. Okay. Okay. So basically just do like this, lift it up like this, okay. Then you just take it out. Wires it's come out from this side. Yeah, this side, okay. So we're gonna put it like this. Just like, you don't have to peel off the double side tape. The wire come up this way. And then we just put it back. Okay. So I'm going to put back all the screws. Then I'm going to get a machine to test it. I have a test computer that can test this type of screens on next video. So we just finished the install LED. I'm going to connect this 24 volt. I already connect to computers. I can test the screen. Let me shut off the light. And I'm going to turn on 24 volts. See how bright is it? Make sure you can see or not. Nice and bright. Just for less than 15 minutes to do the upgrade. Thank you for watching.